Hey guys, so it is time to do another FabFitFun unboxing. So this is for the Fall 2020 box, and let's dive right on in. Full disclosure, I came home from work and was like super energetic. I'm gonna film a video. Mike made us wonderful bacon burgers, and then I passed out on the couch and had to find a lot of motivation to get up and film this video, but I really wanted to because I really wanted to look inside. I did pick everything that I could pick. I did subscribe for this for a full year. So I think this is actually my last box because I'm pretty sure my first box was the winter 2019 box. So anyways, I feel pretty good. I really like these boxes. I want to continue this subscription. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. I really enjoy FabFitFun in general as a subscription box. Anyways, let's dive on in. And if I'm a little groggy, I'm sorry. So the first thing I am seeing is our little catalog. And let's look at the front. It looks like Padma Lakshmi is on the front. And if you guys aren't aware of FabFitFun, it is a seasonal or quarterly subscription box, and each quarter has different kind of like seasonally themed items. So there's going to be some kind of like vaguely fall related things in here. And FabFitFun does everything from, self-care, skincare, makeup, home goods, etc. I feel like it's almost like TJ Maxx in a box, which has been really helpful because my whole motivation for getting this box was I'll stop going to TJ Maxx. And it's actually saved me a lot of money, believe it or not. Anyways, let's dive on in. The first thing I'm seeing is this. It's a pretty typical coupon you would see in the FabFitFun box. It is for HelloFresh. It is 10 free meals with purchase. That is a slightly different offer than what I usually see, but there's usually some sort of catch. Let's see. Okay, it is 10 free meals over the course of like 4 boxes. So that's the catch. That's pretty typical with the HelloFresh. I haven't tried HelloFresh, but a couple years ago I was really into Blue Apron and I really liked it. I learned a lot about cooking until I decided it was too expensive. And now I do other things like FabFitFun. The next thing I am seeing is, it's just a little coupon code for passing this on to a friend who would enjoy FabFitFun. It's $15 off your first FabFitFun box. If you're interested, comment below and I'll give you the link. Otherwise, the next thing I'm seeing is sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine. I believe, yes, this is a coupon to Bright Cellars. So I've actually tried Bright Cellars because of FabFitFun, and if I'm smart, editing me will put in a link right here to my Bright Cellars videos because I did one, and then we actually made Mike an account to see how different our wine selections would be because I'm a white wine person and he's a red wine person. So let's actually get into what this is now. So the first thing I am seeing are these little hair clips by 8 Other Reasons. They're really cute looking. I've actually been needing some new hair clips, and they're kind of this like mother of pearl material. My only concern is I have really thick hair and I really need a haircut, and I've been trying to be like socially responsible and not going to the hairdressers, and because of that my hair is like 8 miles long. So this like isn't gonna clip back very much, but these are very cute and I'm pretty excited about these. So there's like a little pinky one, and there's like a little more traditional white creamy mother of pearl one, and there's one that's kind of like maybe a lavender. I'm gonna call that a lavender. These are cute. I'm really excited about those. The next thing I'm seeing is the Laundress Crease Release Classic. It removes wrinkles. So basically, this is kind of like that stuff. I've seen it in a lot of cruise vlogs. People swear by, bringing a wrinkle releaser. So this isn't necessarily something I would have picked for myself. From what I recognize, I don't remember those hair clips or the crease release. So I believe these are things that FabFitFun picked for me. So this is something I'm gonna have to try. Yeah, I will say we're going on a couple of road trips over the course of the next 6 months. So maybe I'll try to remember to bring this and see what happens. I don't hate it. It's not like I iron like I'm supposed to. This might actually be helpful for work because our uniforms are these like starchy, crisp shirts. And whenever I actually have like public speaking I have to do at work and I'm supposed to look put together, and sometimes it's really hard to get wrinkles out of those shirts, especially when you've been having them folded up. So I'm gonna have to try this for my work uniform. The next thing I see is by Glossmetics. It is a hair removal device. So I do remember this, it's an epilator. I've never ever tried an epilator, and I thought, you know what? Now's the time. Let's try this out. So it says this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. Let's see. And things I've heard about epilators is that, like, hypothetically, you use it enough and your hair just stops growing. I don't know. We'll see. Like, my hair is a mess. And I'm not talking about using it on my head. That's a little misleading. I was talking about using it, on my legs because I'm tired of shaving. But we shall see. I also want to take a look at this bad boy. Okay. So this is what the epilator looks like, and it does come with a battery and a little cleaning brush is what they called this little thing. And then it does have a manual, so I'll have to try this out. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see, the next thing I'm looking at is something by The Beauty Crop. It's Glow Milk. I think it might be it says illuminating milk for face and body, nourished with coconut and argan oil. So it's vegan, it says, and it also says Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Enriched with coconut, Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy, luminous glow by brushing the 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with your fingertips for a natural radiance. Repeat for a more dramatic strobing effect. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is kind of a dark shade. So this is what it looks like. I'll try to swatch it here in a minute. Oh, that's this thick. Oh, that is very thick. It says 3 dots, but I have 1 dot on my hand right now, and it is, let's just say, maximum strobing effect. So yeah, that is, I mean, it's pretty, don't get me wrong. And I do think that would be really pretty blended out onto like your cheekbones. But yeah, they said 3 dots and then more for maximum strobing, but I definitely do not need 3 dots on my face. I already have a face that's tending or prone to looking oily. So yeah. Anyways, the next thing I'm looking at is the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. So I don't remember picking this one, but it does sound like something I would pick. So it says formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. So it has witch hazel to protect skin and improve softness, lavender oil to promote calmness, and rice water, which is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and B and E vitamins to help purify and smooth skin. So I want to smell this. I love the scent of lavender. That lotion, I think it was the winter FabFitFun box that they sent me that was like lavender and chamomile. I loved that lotion. That lotion was amazing. So let's go ahead and smell this. Oh my goodness, this smells very much like that lotion they sent me. Oh, I'm in love with it. The directions say to, before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. I'm excited about this. It smells really good. The next thing that is peeking up at me is this whipped cleansing cream. It is a whipped polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. So I believe this is a face wash. A face wash. And yeah, it is. And it's supposed to be gentle. And it's packed with black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. Okay, let's smell this. I probably picked this one because I tend to pick what I get my subscription boxes based on whether or not I'm low on like cleanser, toner, etc. Oh, whoops. Okay, it has like a nice vanilla smell to it, which makes sense. Like truffle, I can see why it might have like a nice soothing vanilla smell to it. Okay, I need to clear some of this stuff out of the way so I can get to the rest of my stuff. First world problems, am I right? The next thing I'm seeing is the Multivitamin Mask Radiant Complexion. So, okay, so there's five face masks in here. And it says these are moisturizing Korean face masks made with vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, E to nourish your skin. You know what? If you guys have been watching my channel, you know me, I love face masks. Face mask today is supposed to keep the wrinkles away. Anyways, that's what all the marketing people say, I'm sure. This is what the face masks look like. Ooh, these feel thick, which maybe it's just because they're folded maybe a little differently than a normal face mask. But I can never turn down a face mask. And then the next thing I'm looking at, I don't quite remember picking. Maybe I did. I swore I picked the cardigan, but apparently I picked the little backpack or something else. I can't remember if I picked the cardigan or if I talked myself out of the cardigan because I don't need another cardigan, but no. Because I want to say the cardigan and the epilator were in the same category, and I thought I picked the cardigan, but now that I see the epilator, I could also see why I talked myself into the epilator. So I might look at the catalog here in a minute, but first let's show off this little backpack purse type thing. This is definitely a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. I didn't really love all the things in this category, and in fact, I'm going to go ahead and open the catalog right now and look at what else was in that category so I can remember my justifications for everything. Okay, so in the first category, there was a tote by Bach here, there was this backpack, there was a curling wand, there was waterproof liquid eyeliner and mascara, the set of copper canisters, what you can see right here, which I thought about. I thought those were pretty cute. These are a styling cream for your hair and a foldable cotton basket. Okay, so I was correct. This was not in the same category as the epilator. So I wasn't super thrilled with a whole lot of things that were in this category. And I looked at all the spoilers, of course, for everything. A lot of people were concerned about maybe the quality of this bag because the only leather part is really like this top part. Even like the straps aren't leather. They're kind of like your typical duffel bag straps. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's definitely a little smaller than I thought it would be. And these pockets up front, they're like about the size to hold like maybe a cell phone or like a granola bar. I will say we are planning, like I mentioned earlier, we're planning on some road trips later this year. I'm a little foggy. Woke up from a nap. I'm sorry, guys. So I might try to use this for that. We'll just kind of see. It might be a cute little practical bag as we, stop from gas station to gas station on our way to various national parks. I do want to double check the category for the cardigan and just make sure they didn't replace something, which they said they had confirmed. Where is it? I need to know about this cardigan. It was really cute. Oh, they're calling it a scarf again, and it was in the second category, and it was in the same category as the epilator. Okay, never fear, guys. I picked the epilator over the scarf again, which is not a cardigan, it is scarf again. Anyways, if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some insight into FabFitFun. Like I said, if you comment down below, you want that $15 off your first box, let me know. I don't think I get any benefit to it, but as someone who truly enjoys FabFitFun, I am not against letting everyone else enjoy the happiness that I get from opening a FabFitFun box. Anyways, if you like this video, consider doing all the happy YouTube algorithm things such as liking and subscribing and sharing and thumbs upping, and I think you're supposed to turn your notification bell on or something. Anyways, thanks for watching.